Now I am going to continue the last topic what we have discussed, the approximation, nothing but estimating. Okay, and along with that we have discussed the rounding off the numbers. Now look at here, I am going to just recall that one. I am going to take the number 2573. How we are going to round off this one, because this is very much necessary to solve the upcoming problems like this, to estimate the sum or difference, to estimate the product. For that reason we have to be thorough with this one, how we are going to round off the given number. Now look at this one. I have written here 2573, nothing but 2573. For example, okay, if I ask the question like this, 2573, 2573 you are going to round off for 10th position, for tens. Okay, at that time you had to look at this one. What is the unit position? What is the digit place? Here the digit place is 3, and we know that the numbers which are less than 5. Okay, then we are going to relate that one. Okay, that 3 to 0. If in the place of 3, okay, the number like 6, 8, 9, then at that time we are going to relate to the upcoming number, next number. Here the 3 is there, 3 is less than 5, because 5 is equidistant from 0 to 4 and 6 to 10. For that reason we are going to take 5 as a reference value here. Here 3 is there, that is less than 5. For that reason we are going to relate, we are going to round off to the previous number. Previous number means we are going to equate into 0. Now for 100th position, for example, for the same number you are going to round off the 100th position. Okay, you are going to round off for hundreds. Then at that time you have to look at the tens position. Here tens position is 7. For that reason I am going to equate into the upcoming greatest number, nothing but upcoming. Next one 8, 9, 10, nothing but the 10th. Then for thousands, how you are going to round off the thousands for the same number like this, 2573. Here 5 is there. 5, we know that is equidistant from the right hand side and the left hand side. And if it is 5, okay, always it is a common thing, we are going to relate, we are going to round off to the upcoming greatest number. Okay, next greatest number. Even though that is 5, even though that is equidistant 1, okay, we are going to relate, we are going to round off to the greatest number. Then this one, for 10,000, for 10,000 position, we have to look at the 4th digit place, nothing but 1000th place. 1000th place here, 2 is there. Okay, like that we are going to relate, we are going to round off the given numbers. Now look at here. Okay, I am going to first tens position. Okay, for given number I am going to round off for tens. Okay, what would be the round off value for this one? 2570. For tens I am going to relate this 2573 into 2570, because in unit place 3 is there. What I said, for rounding off to the tens position we had to look at the unit place. Okay, nothing but unit digit place. Here unit digit place is 3. For that reason, that is less than 5, I am going to relate into 2570. Then for 100, okay, I am looking at this one, 7. Okay, this is tens position. Then what would be the round off value here? 2580. Here this is more than 5. Okay, for that reason I am going to consider the upcoming next greatest value. After 7 we know that 8 is there. For that reason I am going to relate into 2580. Now for 1000th position, okay, I am going to look at this one, the 100th digit or 100th place. What is this? 5. Okay, we can round off into the upcoming greatest number. That is a common thing everyone we are going to do. If if it is an equidistant value, nothing but 5. If they are given 5 for any position, for any place, it may be tens or hundreds or thousands or 10,000s, we are going to relate, we are going to round off into the upcoming next value, greatest value. Here, even though they are given 5, you are going to round off into 2,600. Next, 10,000. Like this, we are going to continue to round off the given numbers. By using this, we are going to estimate the product, we are going to estimate the sum, we are going to estimate the, what is that? The subtraction, nothing but the difference. Okay, while adding, while subtracting, while multiplying any given numbers, we can round off the given numbers. Okay, that is very helpful for estimating or rounding off the given numbers. Now, I am going to start for this one to estimate the sum or difference. How we can estimate, how we can round off the given numbers. Now, look at here in your textbook, they have given one example regarding this one. Estimate 5,290. Okay, 5,290 plus 17,986. This is a given number. You are going to estimate to this number. How can we estimate? Here, simply just look at the given numbers. Here, this is a 4-digit value or 4-digit number. Here, this one is a 5-digit number, and definitely we will get to know that 17,986 is greater than 5,290. And one more thing, he has given that you are going to round off for thousands place or thousand position. Now, in every number, in these two numbers, the thousand place is there. Okay, here this is a 5,290, here 17,986. Okay, you are going to, right? You are going to round off to the thousands position, thousands value. Then how can we estimate? How can we round off the numbers? Then afterwards you are going to add this one. The very first we have 5,290, and they are given in this one round off to thousands. Here, what I said, while round off into the thousands position, thousands value, you have to look at the 100th position, 100th value. What they have given? 2 is there, and we know that 2 is less than 5. Then I am going to round off this given number into 5,000, because in 100th position the number is 2. For that reason I am going to round off into 5,000. Like that. Then another number is they have given 17,986. Now look at the 100th position, what they have given. This is 100th position, they have given 9, and we know that 9 is greater than 5. For that reason, we are going to relate this 17,986 into 80,000. Okay, I just relate the given numbers to the thousands, to the nearest thousands. Then you are going to add these two numbers. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 5 plus 8, we know that 13, 3, and 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. We got an answer that 23,000. Like that, we can estimate for any given number. We can estimate, right? This is how we are going to round off the given numbers. Then one more example we can take. Now here I am going to take another estimation. Now they are given one more thing. Estimate 5,673 minus 436. Right? Estimate 5,673 and 436 to the nearest thousands. Again they have given nearest thousands. You are going to round off the given number to the nearest thousands. Now look at this one. Okay. Here this is a 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. Okay. Here we can't find a 1000 position because this is the 100th position only, because only 3 digits are there, and here 4 digits are there. We can see the thousandth position. Now we are going to relate to the thousandth position. Now I can check for this one, 5, 6, 7, 3. Now look at this one. For thousand position, what I said, you are going to relate to the this 100th position. You have to look at the 100th position. Here 100th position is 6 is there, and you know that 6 is greater than 5. You can relate, you can round off to the upcoming great value. What I can relate, okay, what would be the number? 5673 become here 6000, because you are round off into the thousands position. Now here 436. Okay, here this is a 3-digit number, and moreover we can't find the thousand position here. Okay, and how can we are going to relate? And this become 0. You are going to subtract this one. Then the subtraction of 6000 with 0, again you will get the 6000. This is how we are going to estimate, but this is not exact estimation. We can estimate like this, but we can estimate in other ways also. Instead of estimating, instead of rounding off into the thousand position, we can round off to the 100th position, because here the 3-digit number is there, and here 4-digit number is there. Here we can find 1000 position as well as the 100th position. Here we can only find the 100th position. We can't find the 1000th position because this is the 3-digit number. Now what would be the estimation for this problem? Now look at this one, what I am going to write here. Instead of rounding off to the 1000, I can round off into the 100th position. How can I? Now look at this one, the same thing, 5, 6, 7, 3, the same number. I can round off this number to the 100th position. Look at this one. The rounding off this one, 10th position. Okay, what is that? 3. Then rounding off the 100th position. What is that? This one, the 10th position, 7. Okay, you know that 7 is greater than 5, hence I am going to round off this 5, 6, 7, 3 into 5, 6, 8, 0. 5, 6, 8, 0. Then the one more number, 436. Here the 436 number is a 3-digit number. I can round off into the 100th position. Then look at this one. The 10th position is 3. The number 3 is there, and we know that 3 is less than 5. Right? Then at that time I am going to relate this one, 400. Right? Then the subtraction of this one, 5680 with 400. What we will get? 0, 8, 2 and 5. Right? Like this. Just look at the difference. Here I made, okay, rounding off to the 1000 position, I got 6000. Here I made rounding off to the 100th position, I got 5280. Like that we can find, we can estimate for the given numbers by taking the sum or by taking the differences. Like that we are doing the estimation for the given numbers. Then afterwards, then what about the products? Then how we can estimate for the given numbers by doing or by taking the products? Then you know that product, how can we get the product? By multiplication process. By multiplying any two numbers, what we will get? We will get the product. Now look at that, what they have given here. They are given numbers like 19 and 78. 19 and 78. Now they are given, for these given numbers we can round off to the 10th position. 10th position. Here these two numbers are 2-digit numbers. Then while round offing into the 10th position, we have to look at this one, the unit digit place. Okay. Then here the unit digit place is 9 and this is greater than 5. I can round off into 20. Then here when we come to this one, 78, here the unit place is 8 and this is also more than 5, greater than 5, hence I can round off into 80. Then the product of 20 and 80, what we will get? 1600. Okay, this is how we are going to estimate for the given number, right? Then one more they have given another example. They are given 182 and 63. 182 and 63. For this given number, they are going to round off to the nearest 100, right? They have done this to the nearest 100. Now look at this one. For 100th position, we have to look at this, right? What is this? This is 8, and you know that this is more than, what is this? This is more than 5. Then for that reason, in the 10th position we have number 8. We are going to relate to the hundreds. Then this become 200. Then look at this one, 63. You are going to relate this 63 into the 100. Then at that time again you have to look at this one. What is this? 6, and this is also more than 5. Hence we are going to round off this number to what they have done, hundreds. Then this is also what is this? One more. They have given this 6, right, into the hundredth position, and moreover this one they have given only 2 digits number. Hence for 2 digit number they have given this become 60. Then the product of this one 200 into 60, right? The product become 12,000. This is how we are going to do the estimation and the what we call it, approximation. Like that we are going to do for the sum, difference and the product. Then you have to solve some examples. They are in your textbook. The remaining portion of this chapter we are going to continue in the next class. Thank you.